we will get to know that we have been doing good.
The Health City Hospital from Guwahati on Tuesday, in collaboration with the District Early Intervention Centre, Jowai, organised a free screening for congenital heart disease in Panaliar, Jowai. The screening was conducted for the West Jayantia Hills District and for the East Jayantia Hills District. An MOU has been signed between Health City Hospital and the Government of Meghalaya to provide free treatment for heart ailments to children registered under the Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram. The Director of Pediatric Cardiology, Dr. Saurabhi Das, stated that cases are being categorized into urgent operation and those that can be treated gradually. Around 20 to 25 children have already been diagnosed after screening 40 children.
I have come here today for a screening camp which we are doing amongst all the children of this district and the neighboring districts also, and here we are basically screening the children for their heart diseases. Now we already have a MOU which is signed in between our hospital and the government of Meghalaya. So under that MOU, all the children who are registered under RBSK are going to get completely free of cost treatment for their heart disease. Now once we have already diagnosed, we have a list of all of these children. Now they'll be also called from our side. They can come directly to our hospital in Health City and they will be treated for their heart disease completely free of cost.
In a historic